Hi guys, today I'm sniping this elephant Ugc I found from Ohala. Less than a minute.
Oh, he did!
What?
He actually saw he looked at it on stream.
What do you mean? My Discord? Okay.
Wait, Waffle said it!
It's a whack hat. Did he actually see it? No way. This thing?
30 more seconds.
Said this thing? I am not a thing.
This
What do
thing?
you mean?
Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. Where is it?
Someone, hold on, wait. Hold on, everyone.
10
make
more
sure-
seconds.
Make sure you're in the
It's gonna
game
say
in the
guys,
group.
big waffles.
You fellow. Okay, everyone, get ready. Get ready.
Play it.
One. It's not out yet. What? It's not out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out.
Oops, I joined late.
I got it.
The stock ran out quick lol.
I got it. All right, now we gotta
CIA
go for
guys.
Manhat or whatever.